Honourable the Chief Justice and Honourable companion judges, the family members sitting and the audience, I would like to say that since I am very much related to this High Court from its inception because of my father, so I would like to say that this High Court came into existence in 1956 and under the guidance of Honourable Justice Vivian Bose and Justice Hidayatullah, this High Court was one of the best High Courts the country has ever seen, and it is still the best High Court. And in the series of Honourable Judges, we have seen Honourable Justice Vivian Bose, Honourable Justice Hidayatullah, then Honourable Justice G.P. Singh, Justice A.K. Patnaik, and in the same league, I think Justice Ravi Malamadji gave a new vision to this High Court. Why I am saying this? Because after COVID-19, when this High Court and this country was facing the most difficult times, in October, Honourable Justice Malimat became the Chief Justice of this High Court, and he showed a new leadership quality and the work ethics, because of which within a period of 2.5 years, which the stats itself explains that most of the disposals and the decisions are landmark decisions have come from this High Court. So therefore, as far as the vision of 2047, which I heard from the mouth of Honourable the Chief Justice in his speech on 26 January, for the first time since I was sitting in the audience, I realized that for the next generation and even for my generation, Vision 2047 is very, very important thing, because the biggest problem which the litigants or which this country is facing and looking to the economic scenario is the pendency of cases. So the Vision 2047, which includes the Debt 25 scheme, is in itself a revolutionary idea, and I think my Lord was much ahead of his times, and therefore only after few years or after few decades, the contribution of my Lord will be etched in the memories. And as my Lord's beloved father is known in the history as one of the best Chief Justices the country has ever seen, I think in the same league, my Lord's name will be etched in the history of this High Court. As far as the pendency is concerned, I think I should quote Nani Palkiwala way back in 1970. This is 55 years back. Nani Palkiwala has said, which I would like to quote. Nani, who is one of the best jurists the country has ever seen, he has said, a lawsuit once started in India is the nearest thing to eternal life ever seen on this earth. If litigation were to be included in the next Olympics, India would be quite certain of winning at least one gold medal. This is Nani Palkiwala's wit, humor. But even after 50 years, we are suffering this problem, and therefore the contribution of Honourable Justice Malimat will always be etched. And I have seen, because it was my pleasure to argue before my lords, and I have seen the grasping power is so quick that within seconds my lords could decide the matter. And one thing was sure, that once my lord has decided, even best of the lawyers can't change the mind of my lords. So as far as my lord's contribution to this historic High Court is concerned, which High Court is known by the best judgment, that is ADM Jabalpur, and by the stalwarts this bar has produced like Sardar Rajan Singh, Mr. M. Adhikari, and Mr. R.S. Dabir, one of the biggest names this High Court has ever produced. Similarly, the best judges, I think my Lord's name will be in that league. Thank you so much.